Message from the 10th World Hike Association Japan Conference by Yanatsuishi. It is our great joy to hold the 10th World Hike Association Japan Conference in the Itabashi Green Hall on the 29th April 2015, with expected attendance to be some 20 poets, including poets from Morocco and the United States. The World Hike Association cooperated the first Vietnam-Japan Hike Roundtable in Hanoi this past September. More recently, in March, it supported the inauguration of Mongolian Hike Association in Ulaanbaatar. World Hike 2015, number 11, published in February, collected 532 hikes in 30 languages by 204 poets from 44 countries. It is evident that haiku is becoming an important short poem shared by all humanity. We hold the 8th World Hike Association Conference in early September 2015 at Meiji University, Tokyo. Currently, about 40 poets from 20 countries are expected to attend. We are now updating association memberships and submissions for our next annual publication, World Hike 2016, number 12. We have already received hike submissions from some 50 poets. We look forward to more hike of good quality from all around the world. Thank you.